Welcome. Today in front of me CUBOT Tablet Top 10 and I'll show you all the box accessories with which our device comes. So first let's just open the box here. And the first thing, this is our CUBOT tablet here and with the protective case together. So the next thing, this is this charger brick, the white one, the original CUBOT charger brick with all of the specs. Also we can find here the USB Type-C cable and the Type-C adapter also for HDMI, I think. Yeah. What is it? Okay. USB, I think this is the USB. Sorry. Okay. Also we can find here the quick start guide, safety guides, the warranty cards and the earbuds with the 3.5 millimeters just part here. You can use them. You don't need the adapter here for these headphones because you have here the 3.5 millimeters part, so you can use it by this way. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.